Hey there! Let's talk about Google. Have you ever felt like your searches are just a shot in the dark? You throw some words in and hope for the best. Well, today, we're going to change all that. We are going to turn that chaos into pinpoint control. Let's dive in.
You know the feeling, right? You're looking for something specific, you type it in, and bam! You get hit with this absolute tidal wave of links that are kinda, sorta related, but not really what you wanted at all. It's so frustrating, and honestly, who has time for that?
So let's put a number on that frustration. Let's say you're doing some research, looking for Schenectady Railway history. You hit search, and Google proudly tells you it found this many results, almost 400,000 pages. I mean, seriously, where do you even start with that?
And this is what it looks like in the wild. A simple 3-word search unleashes this ocean of information. And the important stuff, the thing you're actually looking for, is probably buried hundreds of pages deep under all that noise.
But what if you could just slice right through all of that junk? What if you could tell Google exactly what to find, and maybe more importantly, what to ignore? Well, guess what? You totally can. There's an amazing tool just hiding in plain sight.
Let's pull back the curtain on Google's secret weapon. It's called Advanced Search, and trust me, it is about to become your absolute best friend for any kind of research.
Okay, so where is this thing? Well, after you do your first search, just look right under the search bar for the Tools button. Give that a click, and you'll see it, Advanced Search. Yep, it's been right there this whole time. Kinda sneaky, right?
And when you click it, you get this. Welcome to your new Search Command Center. Forget that one little box. You now have this whole control panel that lets you fine-tune your search with some serious precision.
So, you're looking at this form, and it might seem a little intimidating, but it's not. Let's break down how to use the most powerful parts of this to build a search that actually works for you.
First up, my favorite one, this exact word or phrase. This is your laser beam. Instead of Google finding pages with Schenectady over here and railway over there, this forces it to find only pages with the exact phrase Schenectady Railway. It locks in the main thing you're looking for.
Next, we've got none of these words. Think of this as the bouncer for your search results. Let's say you keep getting results about modern train schedules, and you don't care about that. Easy. Just type schedules in this box, and Google will kick out any page that even mentions that word. Pure magic.
Oh, and this one. This is a game changer, especially if you're looking for historical stuff. The numbers ranging from field. It lets you build a time machine for your search. For our example, we can tell it we only want results from between 1847 and 1920. How cool is that?
So, let's just boil it down. These are your 4 superhero moves. Use exact phrase to lock onto your target. Use exclude words to get rid of all the junk. Use number range to travel through time. And of course, you can filter by language. That's it. That's the core of it.
And here's what it looks like all filled out for our example. We've got history as a general keyword, Schenectady Railway as our non-negotiable exact phrase, we're kicking out schedules, and we've set our time machine to the 19th and early 20th century. This search is ready to do some serious work.
All right, now for the fun part, the big reveal. What actually happens when we hit the search button on this super specific dialed-in query? Let's see the difference it makes.
And here it is. Just look at that. We went from a completely useless 393,000 results down to a much more manageable 4,800. That is a 98% reduction in noise. We didn't just trim the list, we took a machete to it and carved out just the good stuff.
And here's the proof. Look at that new results page. Instead of a flood that you just give up on, we have a focused, relevant list of links that are way more likely to have exactly what we're looking for. This is a list you can actually work with.
So what's the trick here? Well, it's not really a trick. All that form does is automatically build this complex-looking search string for you. You see the quotes, the minus sign, the 2 dots for the date range. You could type all that yourself, but why would you? The form makes it completely foolproof.
So here's what I want you to walk away with. This is your toolkit. For precision, always use quotes around your main phrase. To filter out the junk, use that little minus sign. To search in a specific time, use 2 little dots between the years. It's that simple. You can finally turn that feeling of information overload into actual, focused knowledge.
So, the power is officially in your hands now. You're no longer just vaguely asking Google a question, you're giving it very specific commands. So, with this new superpower, the only real question left is, what are you going to find?